Taliwas sa pananaw ng marami, hindi naniniwala si trainer Robert Garcia na agrabyado si Brandon Rios sa naikasang laban kontra Manny Pacquiao. Ito'y dahil kung ang height di umano ang pag-uusapan, tiyak na makikita ang malaking bentahe ni Rios kay Pacquiao sa araw ng bakbakan. Bukod pa rito, ipinagmalaki rin ni Garcia na mas gutom sa tagumpay ang kanyang prize fighter. Narito ang report ni PTV Sports Senior Correspondent Dennis Principe.
Malaking factor ang pagiging matangkad ni Mexican-American Brandon "Bam Bam" Rios kontra Manny Pacquiao upang makagawa ng isang upset sa kanilang 12-round bout ngayong Nobyembre sa Macau. Ito ang inihayag ng trainer ni Rios na si Robert Garcia sa isang exclusive overseas telephone interview ng PTV Sports. Ayon kay Garcia, magugulat ang mga manonood kapag nakita nila na mas malaking fighter si Rios kumpara kay Pacquiao oras na magkasagupa sila sa ring sa November 24 sa Cotai Arena ng Venetian Hotel. Sinabi ni Garcia na pabor sa kanyang fighter ang lumaban sa welterweight division dahil matagal na din itong hirap kunin ang 100-pound limit ng lightweight division kung saan huling nagkampanya si Rios.
At welterweight, Brandon, as everybody knows, Brandon was having really hard time making 135. He couldn't make it in his last two fights, and then came to that 40. But even that 40 is not that easy for Brandon. Brandon's a big boy. Brandon's 5'9". He's pretty tall, and he has a tendency of gaining a lot of weight in between fights. So I think welterweight's going to fit him a little bit better than 140.
Bentahe din umano kay Rios ang pagiging gutom at determinadong fighter, lalo na ngayon ang nasa isip na lamang ni Pacquiao ay ang business aspect ng boxing. Ani Garcia, simula pa lamang ng negosasyon ay nais lamang ni Rios na matuloy ang kanilang laban at hindi na ito nakipagtalo pa sa kanyang manager at promoter pagdating sa presyo ng kanilang fight purse.
There was time where Brandon would tell us, we'll come and make that fight happen. I don't care. I'll get paid whatever. But we would tell Brandon, hold on, let's come and do the job. And then at the end of the day, Brandon kind of get him, double what Brandon was actually asking for. So this is not about making a big payday and worry for the money. Brandon wants to do it because Brandon wants to fight first. Brandon wants to be able to say he's not Manny Pacquiao and hopefully he can say I beat Manny Pacquiao.
Samantala, naniniwala naman si Garcia na ang personal na issue sa pagitan ni Rios at Pacquiao trainer Freddie Roach ay maaaring gamitin ng media upang ibenta ang nasabing laban. Ngunit tiniyak ni Garcia na matagal na nilang inamin ang kanilang pagkakamali at nakahingi na din sila ng kapatawaran kay Roach. Matatandaan na noong promotion ng laban ni Pacquiao at Antonio Margarito ay naglabas ang kampo ng Mexican ng video kung saan ginawang katatawanan ni Rios ang Parkinson's disease ni Roach. Si Garcia ang trainer noon ni Margarito.
Is what Ronald mentioned and tried to say, this is my time to get even. Well, it's not going to be part of the promotion also because Freddie Roach has been in a lot of big fights before, and he knows how to promote a fight. He knows how to bring emotion into the fight. But, for us, that's in the past. We are looking at the future and looking at preparing ourselves to win the fight.
Para sa Good Morning Boss, Dennis Principe, PTV Sports.